Hi guys, today we are going to be making my favorite breakfast idea, egg mayo sandwich. Okay, so let's start. We will need hard-boiled eggs, salt, pepper, and spring onion. In my bowl, I already have mayonnaise, sour cream, soft cheese, and mustard. Mix these ingredients together, then add in salt and pepper. Then add spring onion. Grate the hard-boiled eggs into your bowl, then mix it well. And this is the end result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. You could eat it on its own or as a sandwich. I served it with a well-toasted sourdough bread and some salad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.